Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Parvati here from agoodwife.net, where we talk about all things natural living, from scratch cooking, homeschool, clean beauty, and just the wonderful joys of being a homemaker. Um, so today in this video, uh, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to shop for my family, and also I'll be sharing a haul with you all. Okay? And I know you guys are probably wondering, the last video you put out was about my home birthing kit. Clearly, I already had my baby, and I had a wonderful free birth with me and my husband. It was amazing. Um, I will be putting out a video about my birth story very, very soon, and giving you guys the whole rundown. And just by the way, this is my first day back out going to any store since having my daughter, because I was on 40-day postpartum confinement, like the Chinese confinement. So I'm really excited to talk to you guys about that too in a separate video. But for right now, let's just jump into shopping. A little meal like that, and then when I take the list out of my purse, a little white list.
Go. Go.
This tea is just like my little treat that I really, really like, and I enjoy buying it a couple of times from BJ's. Also, we went to Sprouts and I picked up some of this A2 organic grass-fed plain yogurt for breakfast for myself. I'm usually the only one who likes to eat this type of yogurt, me and my youngest son. Also, I went ahead and picked up some Good Culture sour cream, and I really love putting this on just about anything, especially chilies and in my egg, and definitely on top of tacos. And I picked up some A2 kefir as well, and that's 100% grass-fed. I love that Alexander brand. And also picked up some grass-fed A2 milk, and it's really, really delicious. Love using this to put in my tea, for cereal, for porridge. And that milk just tastes absolutely amazing. There's really a big difference between the grass-fed and the original. And I picked up 2 pounds of this ground turkey. Now, ground turkey is not my favorite. I mainly picked that up for just, some extra meat in the freezer. And if my mom comes over, I have some meat that she can eat because she does not eat beef. So this is the Verde, I think I'm pronouncing that right, 100% grass-fed beef stew chunks that I got from BJ's, and I absolutely love that brand. And I definitely was going to be using quinoa for my son's porridge in the morning. It's really something that they like, and I love it too. I also picked up some maple syrup, and I really love this brand of maple syrup. It's enormous. It usually lasts us like a month and a half or a little bit longer. And I also picked up some of this pre-minced garlic because I am just stepping back into the kitchen and I really don't feel like chopping up any garlic for my curries or stews or anything like that. I picked up 2 bags of carrots, organic carrots, mainly for my husband's lunch. Reno Romano cheese, if I'm pronouncing that right. It's made from sheep's milk, and this is just a hit in my house. I always love to buy this from BJ's because using this on pasta, sprinkling it on your egg or whatever, it just tastes amazing and adds some nice nutrients and protein to your meal. I also got some butternut squash. I only bought 1 container of this. I probably should have bought 2, but I was really thinking about sheet pan meals when I bought that. I probably should have bought 2 of those, but I only bought 1. And this is the Verde 100% grass-fed ground beef, and this is really, really good. I bought 3 of these, and I plan on using it for chili, for stews, um, just different meals, maybe even meatballs. My husband no longer eats beef. He's a vegetarian now, so this is probably going to last way longer than it usually does because it's just me and my son's eating it. So those will probably last a long time. But I'm really, really excited to make some chili with those and some fall stews. It's really going to be awesome. But this video, it was so kind of difficult to film it because I have the baby and also, you know, she doesn't really like being in the baby wearing wrap too much. So as I'm like pulling out the food, my husband put all the food out for me. I'm also putting it away while I'm telling you guys about the food. So, this is the Jack's Special Salsa. They also sell that at Costco. So good. It's so good, and that's for taco night. I really can't have any of that right now because I'm breastfeeding, and I think it might irritate the baby. So I also got some chicken and sage sausage from Applegate. That was from Sprouts. And I only bought 1 bag of that. That's mainly for breakfast for me and the boys. And it's usually like really, really quick. And I can put it together with eggs or the porridge, and it just tastes amazing. So I also got 2 bags of the little potatoes. Um, these are pre-washed, so they really make quick dinner meals amazing and super fast. I just cut them in half and boil them, put a little bit of salt on them, and put them in the oven. And it really makes for a great dinner. And I don't have to work too hard at it. I should have bought more of those. And I also bought 2 bags of these organic yellow onions because I plan on making more curries towards the ending of this month. And, you know, you always need a bag of onions, If you're cooking from scratch, you need some onions. So I also got some of this Hue chocolate, this paleo chocolate from Sprouts. And this is just like my little snack that I like to eat while I'm watching a movie with my hubby. It's usually my snack of choice is some chocolate. Um, so yeah, I also got like I think $2 off on those, or $3 off I think for 2 of them. I had loaded a bunch of coupons to my account. And this also was on sale. I got this Zoop chicken noodle soup that is so good from Sprouts. And I got $1.50 off of that. And that's just going to be like a lunch for me. And I also picked up some of these fresh organic green beans. Normally I buy, I believe it's like a 5-pound bag from Costco that's frozen. But it's not really a hit with my husband. He doesn't like the frozen ones. So I thought, well, this time I might just buy him some fresh ones and see how that works out. Because he really complimented me the last time I made him some fresh green beans. So I said, hey, I'll just buy the fresh ones and see how that works out. So I also got some Good Culture cream cheese because I plan on making some sourdough bagels. And if I get my hands on some bagels, if I don't get to make any, I know I have some cream cheese in the fridge. It's really, really good cream cheese. And who could forget the Kerrygold butter? I really needed 2 different types. The one in the tub is mainly for spreading, and the sticks is for me making like my pastries, my pie crusts, biscuits. Just makes it way easier using the stick. And I also got some organic mushrooms to put with our pasta and to make omelets out of. And that pomegranate palm is for my son, my oldest son. He really likes pomegranate juice. So I made sure to get one just for him so that he doesn't really have to share unless his little brother wants some. Got is some avocado oil. I would have preferred ghee, but from what I could see, BJ's does not sell ghee. So my next choice is avocado oil. I love cooking with avocado oil. I stay away from seed oils as much as possible. I do not buy them to saute with or cook with at all. I buy a oil that is a monosaturated fat and high smoke point, so I don't have to worry about any oxidization. Also, I got I think I got three. I got three Dubliner Kerrygold cheeses, and these are really, really good. Definitely bought a lot of these cheeses because we go through cheese a lot. And I got some organic raisins for my youngest son. That's like his favorite snack is raisins. And these pecan halves have become my new love. They are so fresh and delicious. I love putting it in my porridge or topping my Dutch baby with them. And I got some organic blueberries for shake. I didn't get enough for muffins, so I probably won't be doing any muffins this month. I think I bought like 6 different bunches of bananas. They're organic bananas, and they're usually really green from BJ's, like super green, but this time around they weren't so green, so I went ahead and picked some up. Normally I don't buy bananas from BJ's, but this time the bananas look good, so I went ahead and picked up quite a bit of those. So I think my husband will be happy with how many bananas we picked up because he makes a shake just about every day. And this kale, I picked up 2 bags of this kale, mainly just as a side for dinner or maybe for a salad. And I also got some Brussels sprouts, and that was mainly for a sheet pan dinner. That is what I'm projecting to use that for. I really want to make quick and easy dinners so that it's not a hassle on me having the new baby. And I got some green onions here, mainly for my curries. If I make curry chicken or my rice and peas, definitely need some green onions. And I bought 1 bag of this organic celery, again for sheet pan meals or as a snack for my boys because we love to eat raw celery around here. Okay, I should have bought 3 of these. I don't know what I was thinking. I kind of lost my train of thought in the store, you know. So I also picked up some huge chocolate baking gems, and I plan on making some chocolate chip cookies, and that is what I bought that for. And also the Goudard, if I'm pronouncing that right, Goudard sugar-free chocolate chip cookies. That is sweetened with coconut sugar, and they are really, really good. So I picked up 2 of those, and those were also on sale from Sprouts. I think I got like $1.50 off of those each. And I had some crumbs on my counter, and from a pizza that my son had warmed up. So just wipe that off real quick. But yeah, I really, really love the prices at this BJ's. It's absolutely amazing. You get a lot. Like all of the stuff that I got came up to $500, 530 something dollars from BJ's, and from Sprouts $88. So definitely got a deal. So I picked up some of these pistachios. My son asked for these as a snack. It's definitely going to be a great snack for the whole family. Just some little pistachios. And I also got 2 packs of these organic beef sausage. I think they're sausage, Applegate sausages. And these are really good. I really picked these up with the intention of using them again for sheet pan meals or for breakfast. I love eating those for breakfast too. I was super excited, super geeked about these Pete and Gary's pasture raised eggs that was at BJ's. I went a little crazy. I bought 4 of them. Now I normally buy 3, but I said, look, for the price of $7 for pasture raised eggs, 18 in a freaking carton. And I had to drive like almost an hour to get to that BJ's because I do not live near BJ's. BJ's is pretty far away from me. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna pick up 4 because pasture raised eggs in my area, because I live in the metropolitan area of Atlanta. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna pick up 2 of them because them things are expensive. So I also picked up 1 12 pack of the So Delicious yogurts. They have 2 different flavors, the vanilla and the strawberry. And I don't eat these. My sons eat these. They like eating these. So this is usually like a pre-breakfast snack, I guess you could say, before I actually make breakfast. And my littlest son was asking for a pineapple, so I went ahead and picked one up for him, and we're all definitely going to enjoy that, but he mainly wanted it. And I got some blue agave here to sweeten my teas with. And I would love to say sweeten my coffee, but my coffee maker broke, so I have been without coffee for a while now. And I also got the Rao's homemade tomato basil red sauce. I got two of those, but one of them is like a carbonara spicy sauce. And I got these chickpea rotini. I bought two of those for like an easy dinner. And we also picked up some of these Pink Lady apples as well as some Fuji apples. And this is just like a staple snack in our house for the boys and for everyone in the family. We really love eating apples and eating fruit. So I went ahead and picked up 2 bags. Probably should have picked up 3. But like I said earlier, I got a little confused in the store because it was like my first time being out. So I'm just kind of happy just to be out. And I didn't write down a quantity on my list. So that is my bad. And we also picked up some green peppers. These are really cool. I love their green peppers from BJ's. And I think I picked up like 8 plantains. This is going to take some while to ripen because I'm planning on having like some curry chicken, rice and peas, and plantain. So that's going to probably be like later on. Like I was telling my son, like those plantains need to get black before I eat those. I want them really nice and sweet. So I'm just putting away some of these groceries now because I'm pretty much towards the ending of my haul. And I don't have a lot of counter space at all. I was looking at all my groceries and thinking, oh my God, how am I going to be able to put all this stuff on my counter to show you guys? So I'm just going ahead and putting some of this stuff away in the cabinets. And I realized when I was putting it away, looking at my cabinets, thinking, whoa, I need to get some jars and put some of the sugar in. I just looked at it and said, okay, nothing else can fit in there. Let me just go ahead and find somewhere else to put this stuff because this is not going to work. Yeah, so maybe I'll do a video soon enough showing how I go ahead and organize all of my cabinets because they are a bit of a mess right now. Since having the baby, a lot of my household chores like organizing the cabinets, I wasn't able to do that, but I was so blessed enough to have my mother come over and be with me just about every day after having my baby. That's just about it, guys. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around till the end. I really appreciate you. And I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed one. Bye.